Hello everybody. Today I am using Clearalif laundry detergent sheets to wash my dark clothes. I'm washing jeans, black pants, dark blue items, gray and black items. And so I wanted to see how this was going to turn out on my dark clothes. You saw the other review that I did on Sacha Monique Talk Soap and Suds review. And I didn't use the machine that day. I just was reviewing Clearalif. So today you will see how it will actually work on my clothes. You can see that the clothes came out so clean, no residue. This is really a nice detergent. I just started using it. I told you, like I did a review on my other channel. I ordered this from Amazon and I really like it. And you can adjust the amount to whatever you want it to be. Okay, so I'm not sponsored by this company, but go to Amazon and check out that detergent. It is really nice. It has a beautiful scent to it. Okay, have a good day.